So you want to know how I made this Pulley light system. It's actually quite simple. So I already had the electrical wiring up here in the ceiling. I bought this little cover plate here which had a hole in the center. We took a drill and made the hole just slightly bigger, and then we ran a bolt through, which is an eye bolt, and we tied this pulley, which came from a hobby style store. We tied this pulley up to the eye bolt. We then took some electrical wiring and connected up into the electrical system. Make sure that you have your breaker turned off. We then ran that electrical wiring down and into this first light. You can see the white ring here. This is actually just a light bulb wiring kit. So it has a light bulb socket with open little terminals to connect the wiring to. So we connected the wiring down into this actual little cap, which is a PVC cap. So this PVC cap was white, we painted it black, but the wiring runs through a hole that we drilled into the PVC cap, and we heated up the PVC cap and press fit the light bulb socket into that. We wired the light bulb socket, and then we spliced into that wiring and basically ran another wire around the pulley down and into another similar setup where we have a PVC cap, and the hole is drilled through the PVC cap, the wire goes in, and it's connected up to the light bulb socket wiring kit, which is press fitted into the PVC cap. And then these cages that you see here and here, they're designed to thread onto light bulb socket kits. And so basically that's how you do it. It's pretty simple in design. You can even find electrical cord which has a rope look, which would be even better yet, but I didn't know about that until later on. But it gives kind of a cool look, and when you put Edison bulbs in, it's really neat. It looks really nice. So long story short, wiring comes down, runs alongside here, goes into the first light bulb socket, and then spliced off that light bulb socket, we have another separate wire that comes around, runs down, and into the other socket. And it's a pretty simple job. I think pretty much anyone can do it. Just the big thing is, make sure your connections are tight, make sure your connections are covered, make sure that your wires aren't touching, and always work with the breaker off. If you have any questions or you doubt your abilities, have someone that knows a little bit about electrical double check your work. And there you have it. I'll have all the items that I used to build this type of style light fixture in the video description. You can find them. And thanks for watching.